Right, so we do financial planning now. Just here from the credit union, talking about my presentation basically. Financial planning. What is financial planning? Anybody?
Planning for the expected finances you will need.
Plan for the finances that you need.
Planning how you will use the finances as you get properly.
Okay. Planning how you will use the financing that you get properly. Alright, anybody else?
Planning how you get finances.
Plan how to get the finances. Good. Good. Alright. Most important part, I'm going to read the definition. Thinking about and deciding what to do about the money that will come in and out of your business. What's the most important part? For financial planning? Okay, knowing is one thing. But what is more important than that comes before that is thinking. You have to think. Think and decide how you're going to spend the money. Think and decide how you're going to use the money that comes in and go out of your business. Alright? So, I mentioned this before, a financial plan is basically a forecast. Alright? So, I have this question for you. Let's see how many of you are paying attention. How many of you are paying attention? What are the steps to financial planning? I have this list of is making a profit plan financial planning? Yeah. Okay. Making a cost plan as part of financial planning? Yes. What about comparing the actual company records with the projection? Yes. Planning, right? Yeah. So you have all these things, 9 things, a whole list. Which one do you do first? Wait, one second. I want to write this down for me, please. Each one of these here have a number. I want you to write down in your note. It can work in pairs or groups of 3. Work in pairs or groups of 3. Sorry. We have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. We have pairs or groups of 3. Write down for me. Let's write the number 1, 5, 8, 9. Write down the steps that you would take to do financial planning. I'll put somebody else is easier to see as well. Right, so this is it. These are the options here. These are the options. I want you to write for me the steps that you will take for financial planning. Which one you're doing first, which you're doing second. The numbers are not here, but it's 1 to 9. The number 1 to 9. Write down for me with your first action, second action, third, fourth, and so on and so on. Alright? I give you 2 minutes. Let people, any people? Any people? Right up to me. Which one are you doing first? Which one are you doing second? 2, 4, 5, etc. See you. going to do first, second, etc., etc., etc. Feel free to ask the person next to you what they will do. It's very interesting. This will be very interesting. What do you deem important? Yeah. Not right, only 4 sentence. I just write the number.